Hi, I'm Sudeep Kumar. It's been almost 20 years that I have been in sales, wherein I have tried to identify the need of potential customers and suggesting them best fit solution according to their needs. When I joined MyMovieForce, I realized that we are trying to solve a very unique, prominent need of SME and white goods segment. There are SMEs in India which manufacture world-class products, but they are limiting their sales and they are not able to scale up to other locations as they are apprehensive of setting up a service network, mostly due to the cost and governance perspective. Like there is a company in India, in say New Delhi, they manufacture a POS or a kiosk machine and they majorly target only maybe north because of this service issue, because the customers would require services which they might not be able to provide. So they were apprehensive of doing this, going up to a new location. So they joined MyMovieForce and we have set up a service network without any cost of service as a fixed cost for them. When we at MyMovieForce help such SMEs to scale up their geographical presence by providing on-demand service workforce across India without any fixed costs. This helps them to grow along with us. The issues highlighted by enterprises in white goods segment was majorly focused towards complexity related to managing multiple resources and multiple service partners, as it required multiple resources at their in-house as well, and a lot of money was supposed to be vested in managing those resources. So we at MyMovieForce provide this enterprise a unique platform to manage pan-India service network through a simple, transparent, efficient as well as a cost-efficient process. During our journey of 4 years of MyMovieForce, we have successfully built trust with 100-odd clients and in this white goods and SME segment. Thank you.